Match the letters with the given pictures. हरूफ को दी गई तस्वीरों के साथ मिलाइए. Dear kids, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to match the letters with the given pictures. अब हम हरूफ को दी गई तस्वीरों के साथ मिलाना सीखते हैं. A stands for aeroplane. Now we search the picture of an aeroplane. Eagle, aeroplane. Yes, this is the picture of an aeroplane. So we match A with the picture of an aeroplane. B stands for banana. Now we search the picture of a banana. Eagle, aeroplane, fan, banana. Yes, this is the picture of a banana. So we match B with the picture of a banana. C stands for cap. Now we search the picture of a cap. Eagle, aeroplane, fan, banana, doll, cap. Yes, this is the picture of a cap. So we match C with the picture of a cap. D stands for doll. Now we search the picture of a doll. Eagle, aeroplane, fan, banana, doll. Yes, this is the picture of a doll. So we match D with the picture of a doll. E stands for eagle. Eagle is the first picture in the second row. So we match E with the picture of an eagle. F stands for fan. Now we search the picture of a fan. Eagle, aeroplane, fan. Yes, this is the picture of a fan. So we match F with the picture of a fan.